So we wanted to give you all a quick tour of our room here at Caesar's Palace. We are in the Octavius Tower. We're in room 5683. We originally booked the Julius Tower, but when we got here, we decided to upgrade and get a bigger room. So that upgrade was $65, and you'll see here what all we got. So first off, if you are traveling with a group, they do have connecting rooms. So there's another door here that connects to the room next to us. And then we have the bathroom here, and the bathroom is huge, really large bathroom. I love that we got double sink, so we each had our own sink here. You also get storage here. That drawer pulls out. There's a hair dryer there for you, and you also get these little cabinets will open up for some additional storage as well, so you can keep your counters on nice and tidy. They also give you one of these makeup mirrors here, which is really nice, and it's also lighted. You get a separate bathroom area here with your toilet, so if you are using the bathroom and you want some privacy, you can close that door. You also get a huge jetted tub here, which is really big, really deep, and just adds that luxury feeling. And you also get a separate stand-in shower with a really big shower head. There's also a closet here where you will find an iron and an ironing board, and also a safe. And I love that they give you a full-length mirror here. Not all hotel rooms give you a full-length mirror, so I love that you can do, your nice fit check every morning before you head out the door. And then it also just sticks to that same theme here of that kind of Greek feel that Caesar's Palace has. Next is the bedroom, and you get, in our bedroom, we got a king-size bed. You also get a full desk armoire here that does have some additional storage as well. So you have your cabinet that opens, and it has 3 drawers in there for you. You also have the mini bar area, which of course we did not use because we don't want to pay 5 times the amount for snacks. So you get, if you choose to, you have snacks there. You also have, there's some tequila, it looks like champagne, water, and some various other things. You also get the refrigerated mini bar, which we also did not use, but it has some, get it open, mini bottles of alcohol, and then there's also beer and water, juices, sodas, things like that. But here's a pro tip for y'all. You don't want to touch these items, okay? Keep that in mind. If you don't want any extra charges on your room bill, don't even pick those up, because they have a weighted system that has weighed all of these items. And if you pick one up, they recognize that that item has been removed, and you'll get that charge on your bill. So don't do that. You also get a seating area in this room. We got a really cool like L-shaped velvet couch here with table and additional chair. We did travel with our friends on this trip, so it was nice to have a nice little extra seating area, and we didn't have to sit on our bed. And then probably one of my favorite parts of this room is gonna be the view, the amazing view. And we got really, really lucky. I don't know what we did to deserve this, but we got a really amazing view. We actually got a view of the entire pool area here at Caesars, and we can see all 8 pools from our room. So it's just a beautiful view during the day, just because the pools look so pretty, but it's also a beautiful view at night because the pools are all lit up, and the buildings also are all lit up. So it's just a really pretty view. You also get a little bit of a view of the desert as well, so you can see the mountains back there in the background. And then if you're wanting to go to the pool and you want to see how busy it is, you can just look out of the window there, see that there's at 10 a.m. no free seats left. So if you want to get to the pool and get a chair, get there early. But I absolutely love this view. In fact, we have just kept the curtains open during the day and until we went to bed at night, just so that we could take all of that in. Well, that wraps up this tour of our room here at Caesar's Palace in the Octavius Tower. We hope that you guys enjoyed it. And if you did, make sure that you give us a thumbs up. like this video, hit that bell for notifications so you don't miss more videos from us. We did cover some other things here in Las Vegas, and we'll be sure to drop the links for those down in the description below. But thank you guys for watching, and we will see you on the next one.